Hi, I'm Connie Kaywood and I'm delighted to introduce you to 140 Kopanga Road in Havelock North. Nestled in the hills of Havelock North with views to Tomato Peak, this grand 393 square metre country estate offers rural elegance in the sought-after village in sunny Hawke's Bay. Set on over 4 acres of rolling lawns and park-like grounds, this architect-designed home is built for the sun. An olive and birch tree-lined driveway welcomes you to this very private and quiet oasis to relish rural elegance surrounded by birdsong and quiet tranquility. Step into the grand double-height entrance and be impressed by this beautifully maintained, built to a standard rarely seen and superior quality construction, a home to truly stand the test of time. The home suits both families or retirees who enjoy visitors and families staying, with its 5 bedrooms plus an office, 3 bathrooms and 2 powder rooms. Entertainers will love the functional kitchen with solid Jarrah timber and stone bench top. There is room for a pool or a tennis court and plenty space to keep a couple of ponies or sheep to graze. Inspection is essential to appreciate all that this home and property has to offer. Hurry to view so that you can secure your piece of paradise in Havelock North.